Today we are starting our class, our speaking class, and today you have to speak about your feedback, or you have to speak about your experience with me with these classes that are going on. And you have to tell what about your experience. And today I will not speak, I will not call the names of the participant. And Gati is ready for taking today's class. Taking means for anchoring the class. So, okay. Gati, I think you have the names of all the participants.
Yes,
And
sir.
if don't, you can see them in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Uh,
start.
Hello, everyone. As we all know that today's our topic is about our experience. So I invite Khushbu Di for today's speaking.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Batch First. And I want to tell you and I want to share you my experience of these classes. When I have been taking these classes before 14 months. When I joined these classes, I couldn't write, read, and speak in English. After joining these classes, I can read in English and write in English and also speak in English. Day by day, I feel improvement in myself. And first, sir wrote two books. First, Rambad Basic English. Second is Ramban Advanced English. We had completed these two books by the help of sir. And sir told us to do daily self practice. So I do self practice daily, and I feel more improvement in myself. And nowadays, sir gave us a daily test paper, which is a competitive test paper. I feel I am increasing myself day by day. This I had completed 29 papers, and I feel more improvement in myself. And these classes I never see in these classes. And as we all know that the corona time, sir had started these classes in corona time, which is more beneficial for us, and we can take very easily these classes by the help of phone. And I learn many new things in these classes. And and most of the thing is, and I see in this class is Saturday's speaking class, which is very good for us, because we can speak in English very easily, and we should increase our knowledge. That's it, sir.
Very nice, Khushbu Didi. Very good. Your speaking is too good.
Your voice
And
is
your
not clear,
flow is
Gati. Use your earphone.
very nice, Khushbu Didi. And your content and your flow is very good. Now it is the turn of Shri.
Hello everyone. Today our topic is about experience of Ramban English online classes. My name is Nitya Sharma. I read in class 4th. I am 9 years old and I am a student of Ramban English online classes. I joined these classes about 2 months ago. In these classes, sir taught us subject, object, verb. These these classes are in these classes are taught us b type sentence, verb, and models, etc. the these are um, roots of English. In these classes we do self work. Without self work we can't learn English. Mm. And before these classes, I couldn't speak English, but now I understand English and I can speak English. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very well done, Shri. Keep it up. And now it is the turn of Divyanshi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about you uh, about feedback. I have completed my 7 months with sir and sir teaches us very well. Earlier these classes are offline, but now these classes are online because Corona was increasing a lot. Sir, sir tell us things of knowledge. Sir inspire us to study. Sir explain every topic very well. Sir, sir tells us that we should not be climate everything. Sir makes us laugh. Sir tells us so many stories and we translate them in English. Sir tells that our concepts and our doubts must be cleared, and I saw a change in myself after these classes. Earlier, these classes couldn't speak and write and listen English, but after these classes, I can speak, write, and read English very well. These classes are so interesting because sir tells us so many interesting things, and no other classes are as interesting as these classes. I think these classes are very useful for me and will be also. That's it.
Very well, Nisha. You spoke very well and very patiently and carefully also. Now it is the turn of Nisha.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today I am going to tell you about my experience of these classes. I have been read in these classes for 8 months. But before these classes, my English was not well because I had a not knowledge of English language. So we could not write, read, speak in English language, and my listening capacity was very poor in English language. When my examination came, I am very afraid because I didn't know that how can face English paper in examination. First day when I joined these classes, first day my mind had many questions, that like that how is English how is the English important in our life, and how can we learn English. But slowly, all question were cleared, and now I can read, write, and speak in English language, and my listening capacity is very well in English language, and I am very happy because I know that English is the international language, and I can get success many ways by English language. Thank you, sir, and that's it.
Very nice, Nisha.
Payal, Vinay, and Purnima, write down your names for speaking. Yes, continue, Gati.
Very nice, Nisha. Your flow is very good. Now, Vansh.
Hello friends, my name is Van Sharma from B8. Hello friends, I am telling about my 2 months feedback. Earlier, I did not like English. My English was so very weak. I had a lot of many problems in making sentence. I tried many coachings. I I had tried many coachings. I joined Ramban. I am joined Ramban English classes. These classes are these classes are very these classes, these classes are very nice. These classes was very nice. So, like these classes are like physical classes. I am improvement English. I am learning English. That's it.
Nice efforts and nice speaking, Vansh. Keep it up. Now it's my turn. Hello everyone, my name is Kati and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. And I have been taking these classes since April 2020. And when I joined these classes, I couldn't speak in English, even I couldn't write. But after taking these classes, we taught the tenses and I did many practice. The self practice played very important role in my speaking, in my and I did many self practice which improved me day by day. And after and sir gave us many work for doing, which is very important and which is very useful for us. And uh, after learning some tenses, we started to speaking. And when I first spoke in English, I hesitated too much and I had very low confidence, but gradually it increased. And I spoke very well. And after completing the basic course, I joined the advanced English, which is very good, which polished our speaking, our writing. And we have I have very I have good use of it. And it is very beneficial for me. And after this, we now we are doing competitive papers, which is very useful because we know that our school our educational and our school system is very different from the competition exams. So it is very useful for me. And our practice is very good, our practice are going very good. And we are improving day by day. And in the beginning, my marks were not good, but after following the instruction of sir and after doing some efforts, now I am improving day by day. And these Saturday classes give me a platform to speak, which is very important for me because it removes my hesitation. And it is very beneficial for me. So thank you, sir, for providing these classes. That's it.
Very good. Very well done, Gati. Keep it up. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Now it is the turn of Simran.
Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. My name is Simran. I'm student of Ramban Interactive Classes Batch 8. Today I explain my experience and feedback in 2-month classes. Before these classes, my position is not better, and after these classes, my position is good. Before these classes, I did not know about properly what is object, subject, and what is the use of modals, and what is active, passive, and how to make sentence in English. And 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 now my position is good. And now I learn many things in English. And after sir, he it is not possible without sir. And sir teaches us very well. he does do work hard more than by us. I will also try to improve my mistakes in class. Sir teach many good things with English, which is very important for our life, and self practice is very important for learning English. And without self practice, we does not learn English. And thank you, sir.
We
Very well,
cannot
Simran.
we
You
cannot learn English. Yes, Gati, keep it up. Carry
you
on.
expressed your you expressed your views very well. Now it is the turn of Ashwak. Ashwak.
Ashfaq.
Okay.
Ashfaq has left.
Okay. Now Priyanka Didi.
Yes. Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about my feedback of 14 months of these classes. First of all, I want to tell you about my position in English. My English was not my English was so weak before join these classes. I don't know anything about English, but when I was joined Ramban classes, slowly I started understanding English. First of all, sir taught us tense, because without tense we can't understand English. Then, then we learn to make small sentence with the help of tenses. We did lot of self practice. We learn to use it, have to, their, model, etc. We made paragraph on different topics. Then we learn to translate Hindi into English. Sir asked us a small sentence question, and we started answering them in English. Now we have started speaking and understanding English. We speak English. We speak English without any hesitation, and now we have no fear of English. The work which we could not complete in 18 years, we have done that work in 15 months. Now we can speak English easily. We can and do talk to other people in English too. And now we have started solving competitive exam papers. We get good marks in these papers. We are completely satisfied with these classes, and we still have a lot of learn, so that we don't have any problem regarding to English in future. So I am very happy that I am a student of these classes. That's it.
Very nice, Priyanka ji. Very well. You did few were mistakes and spoke patiently, which is very good. Very nice. Now it is the turn of Now it is the turn of Karina.
No, you can call Ashfaq. He has come.
Okay, sir. Now Ashwak.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan. Today I am telling about you Ramban English online introductive classes. First of all, I tell you about my teacher. His name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He always clear all doubts. I could not speak English before taking this class, but after taking this class I can speak and write easily in English. Now I can make sentences. it's all possible because of this class. My teacher is very hardworking person. They they work hard for us. He is always ready for us. He gives us his extra time in morning, and he doesn't take money for this extra time. He always encourages us, and he also give us online toffees, chocolates. In in my batch, most of the students can speak English easily, but 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 I don't speak English properly. But I know I will speak English in future.
You are doing very well, Ashfaq. You are doing very well. Don't think so. Hmm. Keep it
So
up. Yes.
I like these classes. Thank you, sir.
Very well done, Ashfaq. Your speaking was too good, and keep it up.
Your
efforts
voice
are
is
also
not
good.
clear, Gati. I have told you again and again that use your earphone.
Sorry, sir. Very nice, Ashfaq. Very nice speaking. Now it is the turn of Karina.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am sharing my experience. Before joining this class, I didn't know anything in English. After joining this class, I have learned many things. Now I can read, write and learn anything in English easily. Now I watch English movies to improve myself. Sir taught us basic things. Every Saturday we speak on different topics which helps us to improve our English speaking. Thank you, sir, for your hard work in supporting us and develop us. Your patience and commitment to supporting us has mean a lot to us. With your guidance, we have developed into a confident and capable student. That's all.
Very nice, Karina. Your speaking was too good, and fluency is also very good. Now it is the turn of Harshit.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of BA Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling you about on my feedback of these classes. Before these classes, I couldn't know that what are tense, what are models, etc. And after joining these classes, I know that what is the use of tense and models in English and how can we learn them. Before and in these classes, I learned English, that how to make English sentences from Hindi to English, and sir motivates us also, and sir gives us sir motivates us, and sir sir do homework to by sir give homework to them, we can write it on our home, and sir do help practice paragraph also, and we speak them, check them on in morning at 7 to 8 am, and sir also take our online classes. Before these classes, sir take offline classes, and in them we couldn't know English easily because there was not discipline, and there was so सर भीड़ को क्या कहेंगे?
So many students.
There were so many students in class, and there is discipline in these classes, and that's all, sir.
Okay.
Very well, Harshit. Keep it up. Now, Sonam.
Yes. Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. I am talking about feedback of Ramban online interactive class. I learned a lot from this class. It has been 14 months since I studied in this class. You taught us a lot
things in class along with studies, and I learned a lot of technical experiments too. We have learned so much in these 14 months that we could not learn even in 15 years. Still learning, we have learned in this class from sentence to competition exam. Maybe I cannot learn all this from anywhere else. And sir, the experience we got in your class may not be found anywhere. Sir, we have learned a lot from you that how we should live our life and how we should develop ourselves. You have taught us everything that a teacher should teach. Sir, I want every student to get a teacher like you so that our country developed as soon as possible. If you don't feel bad, if you scold us because love is hidden behind your stick. I used to not be able to do this much earlier, but now I have started doing a lot right. You work very hard for us. You make paper for us in the night. I had complete 29 papers of competitive exam. I have very experienced that what type paper it comes in competition exam, but when you give first time paper, so I have no idea that what type paper come in competition exam. But now you gave us competition paper daily for practice, so we solve English competition paper easily. That's it.
Very nice, Sonam. Your flow is very good. Now, Ruchika.
Yes, hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about the experience of my these classes. I have been reading in these classes since last 2020 in April. I There are two books that I have completed till now, and sir is doing so much hard work for us. And before these classes, I could not speak right and anything else. I have no idea that what is this language. And when I joined these classes, I could know that what is this and how we can learn it. And sir wrote two books. First, Ramban English, and in this book, the first chapter was language. And as we all know that if we are learning about an language, then we should know that what is this language. Like if I'm learning about Hindi, then I must know that what is this Hindi language. It helped me too much. And in this book I learned so many things, I learned my about my basic. Before, if I did not read this book, then I might be in the pitch, so and I could not come out of it. And in this book I learned how to make sentences, subject object, and the active passive voice models, paragraphs, and the use of has, have, there, it, and many other things I learned in this book. And it helped me also. And I did so much hard work with sir as per his guidelines. So it helped me, because if I did not do hard work in basic, so I could not speak properly anything. And I had no ideas that how to speak. So when in this book, active passive voice rain, then sir started our speaking. So it removes our hesitation, because if after doing this book, if sir started our speaking, then I could not speak properly because I hesitated first.
and by this speaking he removed our so many mistakes, and after finishing this book we can speak properly, and we can collect our thoughts in our mind, and sir taught us so many things in this book. After doing this book we did the second book, that the Ramban Advanced English Grammar. It was too good, and it revised my past topics like tenses, active passive framing questions, tag questions, and any other questions, and the parts of speech, etc. In this book we didn't read only chapters. We did practice also. So it removed our all the questionable all the problems, because if we did all the book and we did not do the practice, then we had no idea that how to use it. We only learned it. So it helped me also, and in this book I learned so many things to use some small things, from some small thing to big thing, and it is now I am using them in my speaking and writing, reading, etc. And sir also taught us, sir also gave us paragraphs, and then we read them. It cleared our the uses of advanced grammar, and removed our all the problems. Then sir started the speaking for some days, and then he started the practice, and we got a lot of benefit from this practice, because by this practice it may happen that in the starting I got so poor marks, and then sir said that you must not lose your confidence, because it will decrease you if you will lose it. Then I started to learn things from, if I got bad marks, then I saw the practice work again and saw that where I made mistake. After it nowadays sir is giving us so many competitive exam papers. He has given us 29 papers, and I am improving day by day from these papers, because in this papers I am able to understand that how which types of questions come in the future, and how they will help me. And if in it is also different from academic to school and type, because in the schools we did not learn the competitive pattern, because there we have to learn only our chapters and other things. In these things we cannot learn anything else, and if we have any doubts, then we are not able to clear them. And from these papers I learn day by day. In this paper I get fill ups, passages, and sometimes vocabulary. And in this if I talk about my lesson of in this papers, then I got the vocabulary problem. So I'm trying to improve it, and I try to do work again, and I see again the papers after getting marks. Till now I have done the work, and thank you sir that you are giving us these papers, and giving me this opportunity. You do too much hard work for us. Thank you sir,
And the lacking of this classes is you do not give us online chocolates. You never give us these chocolates offline. So you must improve this problem.
Okay.
And if you will improve, then I will also improve day by day. That's also.
Very good. Okay.
Very nice, Ruchika. Your speaking way and your contain, your flow, all are very, very good. Now, Sparsh.
Yes. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Ispari Gupta, and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from Batch B1. And today I am going to tell you about my experience on these classes. These classes are very nice. I am taking these classes. I have been taking these classes for 1 year, and I enjoying these classes. Before these classes, I couldn't speak or learn anything in English. Before these classes, English is my very weak subject, and I didn't like it. But after taking these classes, I am feeling very and I am feeling very much better in English, and my position in English is very good. By first book of Rajesh ji sir, basic grammar, I learned a basic grammar which helps me to speak at any time, and I can write on any topic with basic grammar. And after completing basic grammar, sir gave us a chance to speak, by which our hesitation can remove. And by that effort of sir and me, I am telling very much better and with fluency. After completing basic grammar book, sir had started advanced English grammar, by which I could polish my basic grammar, and I could prepare for competitive examination. And these classes are very nice. And nowadays sir is taking competitive exam papers, by which we can fight in future. And these papers, we are improving day by day, and we feel that we are doing paper at the examination hall. These classes are very nice, and we can get and we get any other knowledge by these classes, by which my general knowledge is improving day by day. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Very nice, Sparsh. Your speaking is too good. Now, Astha.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I telling you about my experience of these classes. I joined these classes before 1 month. I don't join these classes, then I don't know about object, subject, verb, main verb, etc. Before I do not join these classes, I do not make sentences and not speak English. I reached here because of you, sir, and I cannot talk with others in English. When I got nervous. In these classes, sir taught us about tenses, and he also gave us time in morning to check our self homework. I am able to speak because of you, sir. Sir, I reached on this stage because of you. Without you, this is not possible. I am very lucky that God give us a teacher like you. Sir, I work hard to speak English in best way. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, that's it.
Very nice, Astha. Your speaking is too good. Now, Priya.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm telling to you about today I'm telling to about my experience. Today I have been 7 months in these online classes. Before I am happy today because before these classes I was nothing in English. I couldn't understand English sentences. My speaking, writing, reading, and learning capacity was very bad. And after, so I think that I have to need learning the English. And then sir started a English classes batch. Sir is also my school's class teacher, so I know him. So I joined in these classes. I joined in these classes. After joining in these classes, sir taught to us tense, modal, use of have to, had to, and how to write a paragraph in English. After few months, I felt that now I can speak in English. Now sir is teaching us extra advanced English grammar, like noun, pronoun, adjective, etc. Now I can speak in English, and now I can understand English sentences. Now I can make right sentences in English, and it can't be possible by the Rajesh ji sir. So I'm very thankful of sir. That's it.
Very nice, Priya. Your efforts are also very good. Keep it up. Now, Tamanna. Tamanna.
Okay, call the other name.
Okay. Now, Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani, and I am the student of Brahman Interactive Classes B8. Today's our topic is our experience in class and feedback. My experience is good in class. I joined this class about 2 months ago. This is good, and before this class I speak English not very well, but after this class I know English. I know some English in class, and before sometimes I will speak better English before I join in class. Sir is also good. Sir gives us extra time in class in morning. He check our self practice in morning. He is very hardworking and punctual. He is very polite. He is very polite man. All students speak very well in class. Sir is very good, and his nature is very, very hardworking. I don't know what is modals, present continuous, but sir teach us modals, present continuous, and etc. in class. Sir gives us extra time in class in morning for self practice. Sir gives us online toffees and chocolates, but sir do not
do not give toffee and chocolate in in really.
But you don't meet me. Come to me sometime, and I will give you
Okay,
really.
sir. Okay, sir.
Mm.
Thank you, sir. Sir, sir, we do good work. So, sir gives appreciate us.
Mm.
But we do messy work sometimes. So, sir scolding us.
Mm.
But this is good for us.
Mm.
That's all, sir.
Okay.
Very nice, Suhani. Very nice speaking.
Everything is
Now,
good for you.
Neha.
If I love you, good is for you. If I scold you, good for you. Okay. Yes.
Now, Neha.
Hello friends, I am Neha Sharma and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. Today I am giving my feedback about these classes and the teacher Mr. Rajesh Gupta. These classes are special for all students and these are good opportunity for us for learning English. And there are many special things in these classes. A special thing which I like most is is that there is only happiness and amusement and hard working, self practice, etc. There is no laziness in these classes. These classes teaches us how to stand problems and how to live happily. These classes started in corona period when we fight when we fighted against an invisible enemy, corona. And the teacher of this classes is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. And this is he is a good person and he is very punctual and kind person. He teaches us how to live happy, how to learn, how to study, and how to read, how to use computer, and etc. He teaches us very basic things regarding our life. And I like my teacher most. And at last I will say that it seems I feel that these classes are like a battleground, and we are soldiers of these classes. Of these classes, and the teacher of Mr. Rajesh Gupta is the head of us. And I will I believe that I will definitely win against the fight of English. Thank you.
Good.
Very well, Neha Didi. Your speaking is too good. Now, Jyoti Didi.
From where do you get these words, yaar? Nice speaking. Very good. Very good. Yes.
Jyoti Didi.
Hello everyone. My name is Jyoti Naral and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling about my feedback of this class. I have been taking of this class since periods of Corona, and we have about 1 year. And when before this class I can't read in English, and I can't write, and I can't also speak in English. But when I joined this class, I can write and I can speak in English. Before this class, I feared of English because I want to learn English, but that time I don't know about English, and it is also very important that English language is very important in present and future. But that time I have no knowledge about English, and I don't know how can learn English. But when I meet Mr. Rajesh Kumar Guruji, then I felt that I can learn English by him, and he gives us many self practice, and self practice is very important for learning English. Without self practice we can't do anything, he and he he collects many matters, and he gives us many matters of English, but that we can do, and we can do anything in English, and that's it, Guru.
Very nice, Jyoti Didi. Very well done. Now, Preeti ma'am.
Good evening, all of you. This is Preeti Agrawal before you to tell my experience about these classes. Sir started this batch. I'm the student of batch 8 of these classes, and sir started this batch on 6th May, and I joined this class on the same day. So it has been 2 months past when I joined these classes, and I am very happy to join these classes because I have learnt many grammar concepts in these classes. Before joining these classes, I knew few English, but I could not speak a single sentence with confidence because my confidence was very low, and I had a few knowledge of English, but I did not know the types of tenses which we came to know in these classes, that there are 4 types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative and imperative. Now my all doubts are clear. I can easily identify these tenses properly, that which kind of sentence I am watching in front of me. If now if there is any imperative sentence, I can easily identify that this is the imperative sentence or affirmative or negative. And sir taught us many concepts in these classes. He taught us use of has have, and use of there, and many sentences. He taught us models. I was very confused in 2 models, can or may, but now my doubts are clear because sir cleared all doubts of us. Sir taught us very nicely that why do we use these models, and where to use these models. Sometimes I made mistakes I always used may in place of can or could. So now I don't make these kind of mistakes. I use the models properly, and now we have completed our 39 exercises and present tense also, and yesterday we started our simple past tense, and I did not know that only second form, the second form of the main verb is used only in the affirmative of a simple past, which I came to know only yesterday. And day before yesterday, sir told us present perfect continuous tense. In that tense, I was very confused in since and for, because as we were taught in our classes, we never came to know that why do we use since or for the time or for the period and for the point, which now absolutely clear. Because now I will not make any mistake to use the since and for. I am it is absolutely clear to me that where to use since and where to use for. And still I know that still I have many weak points, and I will definitely try to improve. And I know because my many problems has removed, so definitely I will overcome to these problems also with the gradually and soon, very soon I will come over these problems also. Thank you, sir, for teaching us with this simple and impressive method. We are very thankful to you. That's it, sir.
Good.
Very nice speaking, ma'am. Your contents, your flow, your way of expressing views, all are very good. Now, Drashya.
I'm Drashya
Drashya.
Agrawal. Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agrawal. Today I am going to tell you about my experience in these classes. I have a very good experience in these classes. In some days I'm going to clear 2 months after joining these classes. I have joined these classes on 6th May. I am from B8. First of all, I will tell about my sir. My sir's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is a very good person. He always tries to satisfy us. He tells us a small to small thing. If it is not related to the topic which is going on, he also clears that one doubt also. On he appreciates and motivates us also, and sometimes if any student don't listen to him, he also scold to him. Now I will tell about these classes. These classes are proving very good for me. I have before joining these classes, I could not speak English properly. I have many problems in speaking English. I speak English, but there are many problems in speaking English. Like I don't know about the tenses. I place the objects and verb at any place of the sentence. I don't know what are the modals and tenses. I don't know that there are modals also. There is a thing of modal also in English. I always try to speak English, but I didn't came to know how to speak English before these classes. After joining these classes, I have learned very things. I've learned so much things of English. So I'm very happy to join these classes. That's it.
Very
Now
nice
call
speaking, Drashya.
call
Keep it up.
Natasha. Now call ये Tamanna.
Tamanna? Yes, Tamanna.
तमन्ना आ बेटा एक बार change your location, restart your mobile. Okay, call the other name.
Yes. Now Dilkush.
Yes. Hello friends, my name is Dilkush Mina. Today I am telling about my experience of these classes. I have been taking these classes for last 7 months. Before I joined this class, I could not speak in English. I knew nothing in English, but when I joined this class, then after some time I learned basic English and now I can speak in English. Now I am learning advanced grammar. Advanced grammar, it is very interesting. These classes are very useful for us. Sometimes sir takes our surprise test, which is very useful and important for us. Our Rajesh sir is a very good teacher. Now sir told us that we should listen English news because it improves us. These classes are very well and interesting. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Very nice speaking, Dilkush. Nice flow. Now Anjali.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena. I am talking about feedback. We have learned many things from you. You thought very well. You taught us very well. Your way of teaching is very good. When I was take the class first time, I have no idea that what is English and how is speaking English, but now I have learned many things from this class. I was nervous, so you realized that I can do it. So, sir, because of you today, I reached this stage. Sir, really, you are best teacher. I am happy with this class. I am thankful to you, sir. That's it, sir.
Very well, Anjani. Keep it up. Now, Mona.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. My topic is feedback. I take online classes. I have felt very good in these classes, and I could not speak English, but I can speak English. And my teacher is good. Sir is punctual, and he comes always in class on time. His answer is very good. His behavior is very good, and that's it.
Nice speaking and nice efforts, Mona. Very well. Now, Payal Didi.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. I am Payal. Today about in these classes, sir, I used to hard work to learn English before. No one has taught English like you. You taught English with great love by keeping us in your heart. You have also provided us a helpline number. Before my English was very poor, because at that time I did not know English, and did not understand English spoken by anyone, but now I speak English a little bit. You taught us a lot. Like tense, beta verbs, direct, indirect, active, passive, their sentences, modals, let sentences, etc. Not only these, you have also made us prepare for the competition papers, and we are improving, and we are improving them every day. I have always tried to give my best in these papers. All these papers have removed my hesitations, I have completed 29 papers of competition. I will definitely do it. Today we have been 15 months, but got a lot from you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You are the great and lovely teacher. I love my classes and my teachers. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very nice speaking, Payal Didi. Very well.
Thank
Now, Vinay ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to share my experience about English classes. Before joining these classes, I know grammar, but I don't know, but I didn't know how to use it. And I wanted to improve my English, but I could not could not do it. Actually, I cannot find a pro- perfect person who can teach us, who can tell us what is wrong, what is right. And sir has taught us lots of things and lots of concept of grammar. And I have been doing this course before 14 for 40 days. Actually, my some classes was left, and I joined this course after 15 days. One of my friend told me about this, and that time I was not well, so I could not join it. And uh, before joining this, I know what is the models, but now now I know how to use it. And little sir has tell us small things which makes perfect to us in the grammar. And sir has given lots of work for written work, which makes which create so many thoughts in our mind. First we write down our copy, then we will be able to speak that these words, these sentences. And um, Mr. Gupta sir is a very hardworking teacher. He is doing so much hard work to us, and he gives lots of time, and he help us in so many ways, and tell us small things. And not only teach us, they they counsel us and boost up when we feel low, and when we feel they increase our he increase our uh, morale. And when we felt that we cannot do this, he always say that no, you can do it, you can try your best. And I'm very much happy, and I have learned so many things till now. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very nice speaking, ma'am. And flow is also good. Contents are also very good. Now, Purnima ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I'm an English learner. I'm learning English in RB classes. The name of our English teacher is Mr. Rajesh Gupta sir. He teaches us grammar very deeply. He attached with us personally and does work hard for us. He takes classes, check our self-work, homework, and feedback messages with very interest. He takes random tests and also conduct speaking classes. His aim is to teach us good English and makes us perfect in any way. So sometime he scolded us, but it's also for our benefit. His aim is not to earn money, but to give a good English education. This is clear from this thing that he gives us this education in very nominal charges. My basic concept of English is not so clear. That's why I have joined this class, by which I can improve my English, and I'm satisfied with this also. I have learned so many things to my earlier 25 days classes. It is not exaggeration to say that he do hard work more than us and do their job very honest way, and same as he expected to us. Is very useful to us. In a few days, I can feel a major changes in my English. Now I can write and read English much better. If this if this continues in same manner, then I will be improve myself, and I will be able to speak and write English in perfectly, with confidently and without any hesitation. This is very true if we all follows instruction of sir, then we will be definitely perfect in English very soon. But for this, we have to do work hard, then it can be possible. Sir attached with their students personally and talks with them very rightfully. In RB classes, teaches English in very good manner. Who will take these classes with honestly and do hard work, he can definitely become perfect in English. In these classes, not only to teach us about the grammatical mistake, but to give the knowledge that how we can write and read English in right manner. I learn more from here, and further I will. None of us will have these words which describe the hard work of sir, which he gives to us. He is giving us very valuable treasure, which makes our personality and lifestyle perfect. English is the biggest weakness of us. Due to this, our self-confidence is also become low, and our original personality is also not come out. Most of the time, with this weakness, we understand ourselves incomplete, and due to this, our good features also hide behind this. But will not happens like this, because RB classes will give us this completeness, and we will also feel perfect in front of others. It will happen just because of you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I feel very fortunate.
Very nice speaking, ma'am. Your speaking way is too good. Now Tamanna is here or not?
Yes, she is here. Tamanna, are you
Okay,
able to
Tamanna.
speak? She has some net issue. Okay, I think there is no one who has to speak. All have got their turn. I am very thankful of you all. Really, I am very much inspired by you all. And I will try my best next time also. Thank you very much. And thank you, Gati, for anchoring today's class. And I hope that next time any one of you will be ready for this job. Thank you. Thank you very much.